Welcome to MotioNew. At UASE Shenzhen 2026, one thing became very clear. Drones are no longer just flying cameras. In this video, let's take a closer look at a few UAV products and technologies that caught my attention at the show. First, I want to start with a 720 kilogram class heavy lift UAV platform. The part that caught my attention is its range extender style power system, similar in concept to an extended range electric vehicle. The engine is jointly developed with an automotive partner, giving the platform stronger endurance for heavy-duty missions. With a payload capacity of around 70 kilograms, it can carry real industrial equipment, not just lightweight sensors. That makes it suitable for emergency rescue, cargo transport, firefighting support, and other heavy lift industrial applications. From heavy lift systems, let's move to Autel Robotics tiltrotor VTOL fixed wing aircraft. This aircraft is built for flexible takeoff and long distance missions. Its key design is the two front tiltrotor units. They allow the aircraft to take off vertically like a multi-rotor, then transition into efficient fixed wing cruise. With up to 210 minutes of flight time, 220 kilometers of range, and AI-assisted camera payloads, it is designed for inspection, mapping, emergency response, and security operations. Staying with long-range VTOL platforms, we also saw two different approaches to large compound wing UAVs. Both take off vertically, then switch to fixed-wing cruise for long-range efficiency. One oil-powered platform highlights heavy payload capability, 200 kilogram MTOs, 70 kilogram payload, and about 240 minutes with 40 kilograms on board. The other platform focuses more on endurance, up to 12 hours with a 30 kilogram payload. Both front cabins can carry satellite communication payloads, supporting mapping, emergency response, relay, and remote industrial missions. Another endurance-focused aircraft is a long-endurance fixed-wing UAV built around efficiency. Its key highlight is a small EFI piston engine, supporting up to 60 hours of flight time. The electric version can reach up to 12 hours with a payload range from 2 to 20 kilograms. The exhibitor also highlighted an FAI-certified endurance world record, pointing to the same idea: small engine, high efficiency, and ultra-long missions. On the cargo side, there was also a new heavy-lift industrial cargo UAV. With 16 motors, a 712 kilogram maximum takeoff weight, and a rated payload of 400 kilograms, this feels more like a flying industrial machine built for cargo missions. Beyond transport and endurance, one very practical application is an integrated smart cleaning drone. What stands out here is not only the cleaning function, but the safety redundancy around it. On top, it has an emergency parachute, around the rotors, protective guards, and for obstacle avoidance, it combines dual RTK, visual LiDAR, and obstacle radar. That is important because this drone is designed to work close to buildings, rooftops, narrow spaces, and even indoor environments. At the booth, there was also a live high-pressure washing demo, making the application very clear. Safer cleaning for places that are difficult or risky for people to reach. Finally, let's look at a compact gimbal stabilization system. The demo shows a small camera gimbal mounted on a violently shaking model car, while the live image remains stable on the ground station. It is a compact system, but it solves one critical problem: keeping payload images usable under vibration and motion. That's my quick look at some of the most interesting UAV technologies from UASE Shenzhen 2026. Thanks for watching. For more unmanned systems industry updates, stay connected with MotioNew.